So this is one of my favorite UDLs that we did. We had to talk about ways to implement universal design for learning into the classroom. So I actually used Powtoon to do that. I really enjoyed using Powtoon. Um, it was kind of difficult at first, but it was really cool. Like I really enjoyed making this one. I had a lot of fun with it. So I'm gonna play it.
Here are 5 tips to implementing UDL into your classroom. So what is Universal Design for Learning? Universal Design for Learning is an educational framework based on research that accommodates for students' individual learning styles. It provides multiple means of representation, action, or expression, and engagement. Here are 5 tips for learning how to implement UDL into your classroom. Tip number 1, provide tools for students to be successful in the classroom. Don't allow the lack of having tools as a barrier for students to be successful in the classroom. Tip number 2, focus on what your students can do. Instead of focusing on their deficits, focus on the things that make them successful in the classroom. Tip number 3, think of UDL as a menu at a restaurant. People all have different dietary restrictions and preferences. It's important to provide different options and accommodations so that everyone can be fed or given what they need in the classroom. Tip number 4, consciously plan curriculum around students' needs. Implementing curriculum that is specific to students' needs and not just equivalent to the guidelines of UDL. Tip number 5, tap into all 3 networks of students' brains. Engagement, representation, and action will activate different parts of students' brains to improve the way that they learn. To read more about implementing these tips into the classroom, here's a link providing you with more information about Universal Design for Learning. Good luck!